Hi, good morning, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Okay. First thing, have you subscribed for Azure Free Trial?
Not it.
Sorry,
Yeah.
not yet, right? Okay, fine. See, in last session, what did we discuss? We have created one VM. Am I right? Yes or no? Okay, in last session, just we created one virtual machine. Then we deployed the application. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah. Okay, see, I am accessing the VM .NET-prod-VM1. Copy this IP. Okay, MSTSC. Paste it, connect. Okay, here I am giving password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes, connect it. Okay, yeah. See, again I am showing. I am going to install IAS web server. Okay, so what is the IAS, guys? I said right clearly. What is the IAS? IAS is the web server and it is used to host ASP.NET application. Next, what is the latest version of IAS in the market? Anyone? What is the latest version of IAS in the market? .2. Okay, so that we will get along with Windows Server 2022. Okay, please try to create Azure subscription and host one web server and try to deploy IAS application. I mean IAS web server. On top of it, we can host ASP.NET application.
Shekhar sir, sorry to interrupt here. So this is like the second class I just joined today. I just want to understand like whether it is started yesterday or
Yeah, so this is the third demo. Two demos are completed. Just we deployed virtual machine. Today I'm going to show you how to install and deploy the ASP.NET application.
Okay, got it.
So just to go through first two videos, they are demos. That just demos. Okay. Yesterday, last session we deployed one virtual machine. Today we are going to host one application on top of web server. Okay. Here operating system currently we are using Windows Server 2022.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So here we need to install IAS, sir.
Yes.
So have you shown in the last video you have shown, sir? Because I am also today joining. So if I go through last
yes, yeah. So today also just I am repeating same session. I am installing IAS. Okay, Sri.
Okay, sir. How to install, sir? Yeah, can you please tell me, sir?
Yes. Okay, fine. See, open the server manager. This is the server, right? Now open server manager. Okay, this is the server manager. Now click on add roles and features. Next. See, here we have IAS web server. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the web server. Just to highlight. Okay, just to highlight, tick mark it like this. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, once it is done, click on next. That's it. Okay, when you select it, read it out. Web server IAS provide reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Very simple. To deploy ASP.NET application, we required what? IAS server. Full form of the IAS is what? Internet Information Services. Got it. Now, if people tell me to deploy Java application, what is the software should be installed?
Jdbc.
Apache server,
Apache.
WebLogic, or WebSphere, or JBus. Am I right?
Correct, sir.
Yeah, here as it is .NET application, we are installing what? IIS web server. Got it? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Next, see, so this is the IIS web server. See how to open the IIS web server. Just go to run command, type inet mzr. Clear, guys? This is the shortcut to open IIS web server. Okay, inet manager, internet manager. Simply I can say.
So Sekhar, I have a question.
Yeah.
So can we install it in Windows 7?
Windows 7, yes, actually, to deploy any application, we have to use server edition, guys.
So in my laptop, I have to install server. You meant to say?
Yeah, we have created server, right? See, this server I have created in Azure.
Oh, see, just now logged in, I got a demo link. So this is the first class I'm attending.
Oh, okay. Sure.
How to create a account in Azure? Even I don't know that.
Yeah. So creating the account, that's what. Yesterday demo, check with institute people. I will inform them to share that video. Okay. So how to create the account? What are the syllabus I am going to cover? These two topics only we covered. Just we deployed on Azure port.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Just to go through it, Subhash. And
Can
if you have
I
any
ask some
queries, feel
questions?
free and ask me.
Because
Yeah.
already you have started, class, regular class. I have
Yes.
some doubts in it. Can I ask it, or can we connect later sometime?
We can connect that thing sometimes. If you have any queries, small queries, no problem. You can ask me now itself.
Ansible something is there, no? Something Ansible and the latest Azure DevOps this thing, I think. I don't know exactly. My friend was saying.
And see, Azure DevOps can be integrated with any third-party tool.
Okay.
Yeah, they have provided such kind of facility. So by default, Microsoft providing functionality. If you are not happy with them, yes, you can go ahead and use third-party tools. No worries.
Yeah, because I heard that is in demand now, Ansible.
Okay.
So that's why I'm asking you. Are
Yeah,
you going to
Ansible
cover
is the configuration file. Here we will use YAML file.
Some another Warner something is there? I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, that I will check on it. Okay. Warner, right?
Yeah. Give me just 1 second. I can pull it out. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got Marvin, Ansible, Jenkins.
Yeah, guys, that is open source. There are two types of DevOps. I said right. One
Okay.
is Azure DevOps, other one is open source DevOps. When you go for open source DevOps, they will teach about Jenkins, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, these things. Okay,
Cool.
this is Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps, they have their own pipelines. You need not have to install Jenkins, Ansible, Puppet, and all. Microsoft come up with one built-in tools that is from Microsoft, and we can configure and use them for our application purpose. That's it.
Oh, okay. What about Kubernetes?
Yeah, Azure Kubernetes is there. I will explain about it. That's what our last demo. Go through it one time. If you have any questions, you can feel free and ask me in tomorrow session.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, this IAS, you installed in the virtual machine, sir, or you installed in the local machine, sir?
No, IAS server, right? This is the Windows Server 2022.
Okay. I mean, what is the first step? First, we need to create virtual machine, sir. Virtual machine in
Yes,
Azure.
first we have to create virtual machine in Azure portal. Yeah.
On top of that,
That's
we need to
what.
install this one. Okay, got it, sir. No.
Yeah, see, this is the virtual Azure portal, right? In Azure portal, I have deployed one VM. Okay. So that VM I am accessing. That's
You are
why
accessing, and there you are
I
installing
RDP.
IAS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I took RDP and accessing the server.
Excellent, sir. Thanks.
Yeah.
In the same manner, I'll have to create my account and my VM separately. You meant to say in Azure?
Yes, correct. You have to subscribe for Azure Free Retail. That's what I asked first time. Have you created Azure subscription or not?
Even I don't know that.
Yeah. Okay, clear? Yeah, fine. Now see, this is the web server. Click on inet mgr. Okay, expand it. Expand sites. Okay, see, this is the default site. If you want, you can change it to TCS. What is the application name? TCS. Okay, so I have my custom application. Okay, by default, you can access inbuilt page. See, copy this IP, paste the URL. See, this is the default page provided by Microsoft. Got it, guys? This is the default page provided by Microsoft. Okay, now have a look. Navigate to, what is that? Our Azure portal. Okay, so this is the IP address 20.172.168.55. So this is the IIS web server. Now right click and explore it. Okay, I am going to delete these two pages. Why? Because these pages provided by Microsoft. These pages provided by Microsoft. Clear? Okay, now refresh one time. We are getting an error. Why? Because whatever the files provided by Microsoft, just I have deleted, so that it is looking for the page and throwing an error. Fine. Now I am going to deploy my custom application. Okay, these applications, sample application we only developed. Okay, just go to web applications. This is the school app. Okay, this is the school app. See, this is the entire application. Okay, these are all entire application. Now just highlight, copy, Control C, go to your server, paste it.
సార్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎట్లా సార్ మేము మీలాగా అది
నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. అప్పుడు శాంపుల్ అప్లికేషన్ మీకు ఒక OneDrive లో పెట్టి షేర్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్.
Shekhar, if you don't mind, can you tell us how to subscribe Azure and from the beginning? Is it fine?
Yeah, fine. I will give you the info. See, go to azure.microsoft.com. Okay, here we have free account. Have you observed?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on free account. Okay, start.
Okay.
Okay, start free.
Okay.
Now here enter your email address, your address details, then pass the credit card details. 2 rupees amount would be debited, then automatically your account will be created. That's it. Then you can use the portal. They are very straightforward.
So
Just
can I
to
use my
remember
debit card
only
instead
this.
of?
Yeah, only credit card, guys. My suggestion. Why? Because debit cards are accepting ICICI, Kotak Mahindra and Citibank. These three. Okay, if we go for SBI, HDFC and all, they are not accepting. That's what. Any credit card, it will accept.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Yeah. They are straightforward step. That's what clearly I explained in last session. Just to go through that one time. If you are facing any issues, no, you can feel free and ask me.
సార్ పాసిబుల్ ఆ లింక్స్ పేస్ట్ చేయండి సార్ అక్కడ
part more and
చాట్ లో ఒకసారి లింక్స్ పేస్ట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది సార్. దోస్ హూ వాంట్ దే కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్. ఒకవేళ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే కన్నా you can
Yeah,
paste
I'm
in-
pasting it here.
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I have pasted in the chart itself. Okay, I hope you got it right. Link.
Yeah.
Sir, only one link, sir.
Only one link. That is enough.
You said 2 videos, no? Not this one,
only
sir.
2
Recorded
videos.
video. Recorded
Yes.
video, sir. మీరు 2 రోజులు
Yeah, recorded videos only. Yeah.
అది కాదు సార్, ఇది Azure dot అది పేస్ట్
So
అయింది.
I have another
Paste
question.
కాలేదు, sir. Links not pasted. This is azure.microsoft.com website came.
అదే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడానికి అజూర్ ఫ్రీ ట్రయల్ అకౌంట్ అదండి URL.
నేనేం అడిగినా అంటే సార్, మీ 2 లింక్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 2 రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్స్, అవి పేస్ట్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ టేక్
అవి
ఇట్.
ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్
Video
ఇన్ఫార్మ్
links
చేస్తాను,
actually.
వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేస్తారు మీకు. ఓకేనా, నా
Okay.
దగ్గర లేవు. ఓకే
సరే సార్,
Yeah.
నేను జాయిన్ అయినా.
So Sekhar, you are going to cover admin part more and Azure DevOps less, right?
No, both Azure administration and
Hello?
Azure DevOps. Yeah, Azure administration and Azure DevOps, both.
Okay. So
Okay.
this will help us in attending certification, right?
Yes, correct, 100%. Okay. Yes, first admin cover చేస్తాను, నెక్స్ట్ DevOps అండి. Yeah, clear.
DevOps చెప్పేప్పుడు మీరు ఏమైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటున్నారా శేఖర్?
అవునండి, తీసుకుంటున్నాను. రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను.
ఓకే.
So whatever you were explaining, that totally it's related to the admin part, right, Sekhar sir?
Yeah,
you
now
are-
it is admin part. Yes, correct. So
Okay.
once admin is over, then we will move forward to Azure DevOps sessions.
Okay. The course content also we can get from the institute paper only.
Yes, institute people, correct.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, now we have deployed applications. See, if I go and access, okay, if I go and access the application, same URL, refresh it. See, site is accessible. Okay, this is the public. I am pasting URL public. Okay, I am pinging in the URL. Just you can click on it, you will able to access. Can you check and let me know if you are able to access or not? It is a like real-time project. Okay, see, when I click on home, where we are doing, how it will work. Okay, courses, contact us. Okay, like how we people are accessing tcs.com, right? Okay, see how it is accessing, right? Same, it is a school lab. See, if I go on here, how it is displaying, same here.
Yeah, I tried. It's working, sir. I paid this.
It's working fine, right? Clear? Yeah. Now, see, generally, you know, right? If I go and go to command prompt, okay, ns lookup tcs.com. What is the IP of TCS? 52 dot. Okay, 52 dot 172.221.38. Am I right? Now, we people tell me, if I access this IP, will I able to access tcs.com? Yes, we can access. Why? Because this IP is mapped to tcs.com domain. Hit enter. See, I am able to access. It will routing to tcs.com. We did not get any error. Why? Because that is the IP associated to tcs.com URL. Okay, clear. Now, see, same way, this is the URL. This is the IP address, right? Okay. Now, can I map this IP with one custom DNS name? Yes. Like how we have tcs.com, same way we can add one DNS name. DNS name means domain naming services. Clear. Now, how can you do that? Here, Microsoft providing one inbuilt feature. Directly, we can click on what is that? DNS not configured. Have you observed? If you observed, here it is showing DNS not configured. Click on not configured. Okay, enter the label. The label name is TCS. See, tcs.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. Just save it. Okay, tcs.eastwest.cloudapp.azure.com. Close it. Okay, now refresh one time. See, now I am copying this IP, paste it. Same application can be accessible. See, I am pinging in the chart. You can also try it out. Copy, and I am pasting it here. Can you check from your end? Are you able to access? Let me know.
Yes, sir, working, sir.
Yeah, it's running fine, right? For everyone.
Yes, sir.
Same guys, in real time, after deploying the application on top of any web server, we will map DNS name so that outside the members will able to access this application. Right? So this is how application can be deployed on top of, what is that? Windows Server 2022. What is that? Windows Server 2022. Okay. Server edition. Got it?
But yes, sir, very nicely explained, sir. But in real time, a lot of project files will be there, no, sir. .NET, I mean, lot of configuration files, hundreds of files will be there. So is it that much, this much easy, sir? Just copy and pasting,
Yes,
and then
this is the cloud. Why people are looking for cloud? This is the how. See, actually in on-premises, we have to create the server. Creating the server means we have to submit the request to data center team. Data center team will ask manager approval. Once he's provide the approval, they will drag the space. then deploy the operating system, configure the network, configuring the firewall ports, configuring the IP address. It will take minimum 20 days, right? Okay. Here, just we can deploy the virtual machine within span of 2 minutes. How I have deployed the application, same way. That's it. Your application will be live in fraction of minutes. So development of application, it will take time. Anyhow, we are managing deployment and management, right? So just this is how simple we can deploy application. Got it?
So using Azure, we can deploy .NET applications and Java applications we cannot deploy, sir.
Another one question. Actually,
No. Cloud can be anything, guys. Cloud in the sense what? Everything they placed over there. Not only .NET. We can
Okay.
host SAP
Java.
application.
Okay, for
big
Java, I
data.
need to install Apache Tomcat like that, no, sir?
Yeah. Yes,
Oh,
correct.
got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Shekhar, I have a question.
Sir.
Yes.
So actually, I'm a Tableau server admin. So if I want to deploy Tableau server in Azure,
Yeah.
so is there any specific procedure?
Nothing.
Do you know
See,
that?
this is infrastructure as a service. I deployed ASP.NET application. On top of the
Okay.
server, download Tableau software and install it. That's it.
Install it in the same on-premise like
On-premises, how we are doing here also, you can do that. Same thing. Nothing. See, in on-premises, you have to manage the data centers. In cloud,
Yes.
especially Azure, who will manage?
Okay.
Who will manage?
Okay.
Microsoft is managing it. That's it.
Yeah.
Hello, Sekhar, sir.
Yeah.
So installations, configurations, and all things we need to take care, or
yeah, installation.
Tableau
See,
team will be
installation and
taking care.
configuration, taking the license, that all you have to take care, right?
Yeah, as a server admin, Tableau server
Yes.
admin.
Yes. Okay, here Microsoft infrastructure as a service. They are providing the infrastructure, right? Whatever the software you would like to install, installation, configuration, management, that you have to take care. Why? Because that data belongs to your organization, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
So
This is infrastructure as a service.
Sekhar, sir. మీరు ఒక
Yeah.
సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు, అందులో అది ఆ సర్వర్ లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే గ్రేడ్ స్కూల్ అని వచ్చింది. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ టీసీఎస్ దాన్ని ఇంకొకటి లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే సేమ్ అదే వచ్చింది కదండి సార్. అది ఏంటి సార్, ఏం చేసాం ఎగ్జాక్ట్?
డిఎన్ఎస్ నేమ్ అండి అది. ఇప్పుడు tcs.com అని యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇది? tcs.com అప్లికేషన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇది? టీసీఎస్ వాడు ఈ అప్లికేషన్ ని .NET లో డెవలప్ చేశాడు. డెవలప్ చేసి అలా పడేస్తే వస్తుందా? లేదు కదా. ఒక సర్వర్ లోకి తీసుకెళ్లి డిప్లాయ్ చేశాడు ఈ అప్లికేషన్ ని. సర్వర్ లోకి వెళ్ళి డిప్లాయ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ tcs.com అనేది పర్చేజ్ చేసి మ్యాప్ చేశాడు. అందుకే tcs.com అని యాక్సెస్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే నేనేం చేశాను, ఒక సర్వర్ లో నా అప్లికేషన్ కోడ్ డిప్లాయ్ చేశాను. ఇలా ఫస్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐపీతో యాక్సెస్ అయింది. నేను వెళ్ళేసి కస్టమ్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చాను. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది డిఎన్ఎస్ నేమ్, ఇన్బిల్ట్ డిఎన్ఎస్ నేమ్. ఓకే, tcs.east-cloudapp.azure.com అని ఇచ్చాను. సో దాంతో నా అప్లికేషన్ యాక్సెస్ అవుతుంది. నాకు ఇంత పెద్ద URL వద్దు, నాకు ఓన్లీ praveen.com కావాలి అంటే పర్చేజ్ చేసుకొని మ్యాప్ చేయడం, అంతే, సింపుల్. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు google.com అనే ఎలా యాక్సెస్ అవుతుంది? ఈ గూగుల్ అనే అప్లికేషన్ ఒక సర్వర్ లో డిప్లాయ్ చేసి ఉంటాడు, అలానే ఆ పేజ్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. అలాగే
చేయాలంటే జస్ట్ మీరు టీసీఎస్ అదే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలా సార్?
ఏంటండి?
ఇందాక ఒక నేమ్ ఇచ్చారు కదండి సార్, డిఎస్ నేమ్ టీసీఎస్.
అవును కరెక్ట్.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలా మేము?
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మీ నేమ్ ఇచ్చుకోండి, ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోండి, నో ఇష్యూస్. టీసీఎస్ అనేది ఒక నోటెడ్ నేమ్ కాబట్టి నేను ఇచ్చాను.
ఓకే.
క్లియర్?
క్లియర్ సార్.
Okay guys, now have a look. I am going to deploy one Linux machine now. Whoever is missed out last session, have a look. how to create one mission. Okay, yeah, this is the Azure portal, right? Now navigate to virtual mission in left side. Okay, here create new virtual mission. Just to keep an eye. Okay, so I am going to use one resource group, anything. Here virtual machine name I am giving Linux web-server. The name can be anything, guys. Name can be anything. See here you have list of what is that operating systems. We have Windows Server 2022. Okay, Windows Server 2019, 2016. Same if you are coming to the Linux, we have Oracle Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu. I hope you know different flavors of Linux. Am I right? Tableau also they will install on Linux only, right? Whoever asked this question, Subhash and all.
Yes, we can deploy it on Linux.
Linux. Okay, we can also host it on, where is that? Windows machine as well. No worries. Clear?
Yeah, Windows
Now,
and Linux it's up.
yeah, it will support. That is up to you. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now here I am taking Red Hat 8.7. Okay. Latest version is Red Hat 9.0. Okay. Here I am giving Red Hat 8.7. Version can be anything. Okay. This is the latest version and no issue standard version. I am going to use Linux Red Hat 8.7. See, I am using 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. If you are not happy with this configuration, we can use it, guys. Okay, 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory, 8 CPUs, okay, or 256 GB RAM, or 1000 GB RAM. We can pass it whatever the server requirement you need. Okay, yeah, next. Now here I am passing password. Okay, to connect the VM, we need to pass the username and password, right? I am giving cloud admin password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay, clear. Now here I am adding SHS port number 22. So now if people tell me to access Windows machine, we have to use which one, guys? RDP, remote desktop. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same Linux SHS port number
SSH,
22.
yes.
Okay,
22.
so in Linux machine, can we have to host application, right? That should be accessible port number 80. That is HTTP. Are you getting? If it is HTTPS
Yes,
443.
correct.
See, tcs.com is there. Now if people tell me this application running on which port number?
Port 80.
This is HTTPS. HTTPS means what is the port number?
SSL 443.
443. See, HTTPS 443. That is the standard, guys. Whether your application developed using PHP or Ruby or whatever it is, all types of web application, only 2 port numbers are standard. HTTP 80, HTTPS is what? 443, guys. Clear? Right. Now, this is the desk. Anyhow, I am going to add custom desks. Okay, custom desks. See, this is the premium SSD. I am giving Linux web server. Okay, let us give Red Hat 8.7. Okay, password cloud admin SharePoint at the rate of 123. SharePoint at the rate of 1234. Okay, yeah, here I am giving port number 80. Next, click on desk networking. So desk is mandatory. You know, right? If you are purchasing the laptop, we are getting SSD hard disk. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Solid state drive. Why we are using SSD? To get better performance. Okay, this is the networking. By default, as I said, Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, they are public, guys. By default, public. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next, this is the networking as a public. This is empty server, guys. Hit on review plus create. This is empty server. Empty server in a sense. What does that mean? Raw server. Raw server in the sense, as you are expecting, they are creating the server. On top of it, whether you are going to deploy Tableau or Java or ASP.NET or Python or Ruby or whatever the application, according to that, you have to install and configure the relevant softwares. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now hit on review plus create it. See, within a minute, your server will be ready. See, in same server to deploy in on-premises data center, worst case, it will take minimum 7 days, guys. Minimum 7 days.
Yeah, I know. Shekhar, I have a question. I think adding load balancers on top of.
That are different topics. We will get into that later, one by one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Load balancer on top of SSL adding SSL.
Yes, SSL adding and all. Yes.
Yeah, that is the most.
Yeah. Okay. See, deployment is in progress. Yes, Praveen. Virtual machine అంటే సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు అంతా బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన ఇప్పుడు లైఫ్ అంతా వర్చువలే కదా. అర్థమైందా? సర్వర్ ఎక్కడో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకొని డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాం. దాన్ని వర్చువల్. బట్ ఫిజికల్లీ ఇట్ వాస్ డిప్లాయిడ్ ఇన్ Azure data centers. Got it? Physically it has deployed in Azure data centers. Virtually we are accessing. Got it? Yeah. Okay, see guys, this is how we have created one virtual machine. Okay, to connect Linux machine, we have to use one software. What was that? Any idea?
Putty.
Yeah, Putty.
Yeah.
So to connect Linux machine, we have to use Putty. To connect Windows machine, here we have what? Remote desktop, guys.
RMT. Yeah.
Yes. Remote desktop. Clear? Yeah. Now,
You typed MSTC, no, sir? Both are same, no?
yeah, both are same. Formerly used to call it as MSTSC. Now we are calling it as remote desktop. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. When I type it like MSTSC, see it is opening same page, same window. Or else go to start, type remote desktop. Both are quite common. Same window. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Now to connect Linux machine, we have to use Putty. Just go for putty.org. See, download it. Download Putty. Okay. Here we have 64-bit edition and 32-bit edition. I am going to use 64-bit edition. Download it. This is the latest one. putty software. This is small exe file, guys. I can say less than 50 MB. It's not less than 50 MB. Sorry, it's not greater than 50 MB. Very small file. Sorry, see, only 3.5 MB. Got it? Very small file. Installation is not a big challenge. After downloading it, you people can just click on next. Okay, this is the putty. Double click. Okay, next, install it. That's it.
So are you installing it in your
Yeah,
laptop?
my local machine.
Yeah.
Why? Because servers are deploying in Azure data centers. To connect them, what we have to do?
Yes, correct.
We have to do it from our local machine only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now click on finish.
Putty Gen, Putty Rondo, what sir?
Putty gen, putty rondo okate. Putty gen is part of one component of putty. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now just start. Type putty. Okay. Here paste the IP address. Copy this IP and paste it. What is the port number, guys? 22. See, inbuilt it is displaying. Okay, open. Yes, accept it. See, I am
Have you
giving.
copied the IP or link up?
No, IP address only. See, again, have a look. Keep an eye. Just type putty. Here, enter the IP address. What is the IP address? 40.76.70.57. Paste it. Yes, connect. What is the login name? Cloud admin. Password, SharePoint @12345. See, guys, who is the current login user? Cloud admin. If I go and type who am I? Who am I? Cloud admin. Got it?
The password is same for everyone, or we need to create, sir?
మీ ఇష్టం, మీకు కావాల్సిన పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. నేను క్లౌడ్ అడ్మిన్ ఇచ్చాను, మీరు అజూర్ అడ్మిన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఎస్పీ అడ్మిన్, సీక్వల్ అడ్మిన్, టాబ్లూ అడ్మిన్, ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is how we can connect the VM, that is Linux. So in next session, I am going to show you how to deploy one Java application on top of Linux. You know, right? Most of the people, they will use what Linux machine to deploy Java application. We can also use Windows Server. A few companies, they will prefer to deploy the application on top of Linux. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to show you how to deploy one Java application on top of this Red Hat Linux machine. Okay, if you have any queries, feel free and ask me. Please, whoever is interested, get registered. Tomorrow link will be changed.
Yes, sir. I already registered, sir. Paid and registered. Your sessions are very good, sir. Very neatly explained and very doubts clarification on time. Excellent sessions.
Fine. Any queries? Any doubts? Subhash, Don, Prakash, Praveen, Sandhya.
Sekhar, if I ask questions, don't mind, right? You don't.
No worries. You can interrupt me anytime. After 2-3 sessions, you people can create one WhatsApp group. I will be there. Okay. If you are practicing anytime, you can ping me in that WhatsApp group. I will respond if you are facing any issues while you are practicing.
Yeah, and even in the lessons also, sir. If you start one topic, after topic, you give some time to ask questions. Then it will be easy rather than people interrupting.
Yeah, that is your
others will get demotivated and confusing. For example, you start on deployment. You finish that topic, then you give some time, 5 minutes for a question, so that everybody will be clear.
Yeah, sure. While I'm explaining the service, in between, if you are getting any issues or if you are not understanding something, you can interrupt me anytime. No worries.
Okay.
Because this is online course, sometimes something will be, something different. Sometimes.
Yeah. So I am requesting you. Yeah, I am requesting you. Please keep an eye on my screen. Okay, you are listening. If you are operating your mobile and all,
See, just now I
little bit-
connected using my mobile.
Yeah.
So, okay, okay, we'll have some issues also. So tomorrow
Yeah.
I'll try to install everything, create
Yes.
my
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So mobile, it is very small screen, right?
small
Lot
screen.
of issues should be there.
Correct.
My suggestion:
small screen.
have a laptop or desktop. You can have you can listen this session, but keep
Can
an
we
eye on my
have the
screen. That's it.
recorded
Yeah.
sessions throughout the 45 days?
Yeah, recorded session will be available for 1 year, I think.
But we cannot
Yeah,
download
okay.
it, sir. Just watching one.
You cannot download it, guys. These are the cloud. We are getting lot of changes every day. Okay, if people listen carefully and practice next day itself, that would be good. My suggestion. Why? Because I am teaching, right? Last month, whatever the features and whatever the features of service I am explaining, this time they are changing it. Functionality getting changed. Okay, immediately if you are practicing it, that would be good. We can remember.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that school example you upload, sir. They will try to practice. Google Drive.
I practice. Yeah, sample. I will the sample web applications, sample resume interview questions, and I will also share dumps, latest dumps.
Yeah. Today you practice, no, sir, that IAS deployment, TCS website.
Yes.
So please send in Google Drive. So for the
Yeah, I will share the Google Drive. Yeah, yeah.
so that will practice it. Yeah.
So for DevOps, Azure DevOps, how many projects you are going to teach?
I will teach around 5 projects. Okay. See, guys, don't think much about DevOps. What is the DevOps? Automation, right? Application
Yeah.
deployment. If you do automation, that is the DevOps. Okay. I will show you how to deploy the application using Terraform. I mean infrastructure, and how to create and process the Java application and .NET application. How to maintain your in GitHub. That all we will do. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye. Yeah. So next session, please kindly requesting you subscribe for Azure Free Trial and let me know if you are facing any issues while you are subscribing for Azure Free Trial. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.